Today we are going to use Polya's problem solving strategy to answer some word problems. Okay, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. The first step is to understand the problem, second is to devise a plan, third is to carry out the plan, and the last step is to review your solution. George Polya was born in Hungary and in 1887 and moved to the United States around 1942 and taught in Stanford University until his retirement. So in his first step of problem solving strategy, this is where you try to make sure that you understand the assumptions of the problem, you know what's the goal, what is the objective, and in the second step, you make a list of the known information, and if you can make a diagram, a chart, or a table, that would be better. And then the third step, this is where you carry out the plan. You make sure that you work carefully, you keep an accurate and neat record of all your attempts. And in the last step, you make sure that the solution is consistent with the facts of the problem. Okay, let's go to our word problem. So you have 4 people on one side of a river that needs to cross the river in a boat that can carry a maximum load of 180 pounds, including the driver of the boat. The weights of the people are 80, 100, 150, and 170 pounds. You find the minimum number of crossings that must be made by the boat to carry everyone to the opposite side. And note that you assume that anyone can drive the boat. Okay, let's go to our blackboard. Okay, so one of the assumptions of the problem is that anyone can drive the boat. Okay, and the other second is that the maximum load of the boat is only 180 pounds. So as much as possible, a person who weighs 80 and 100 pounds, you want them to go together to cross the river to find the minimum number of crossings. Okay, so let's go to our solution. So like I said, a person who weighs 80 and 100 pounds, if possible, they go together. So they cross the river, and then a person who weighs 80 pounds can go back. So a person who weighs 100 remains, and then a person who weighs 150 pounds crosses the river. So a person who weighs 150 pounds and 100 pounds is on the opposite side. Okay, and then a person who weighs 100 pounds goes back. Okay, and then they can both, the person who weighs 80 pounds and 100 pounds can again, they can go together to cross to the other side. So now you have a person who weighs 80, 100, 150 pounds, and a person who weighs 80 pounds can go back. Okay, so hence 100 and 150 remains. A person who weighs 170 pounds crosses the river. So you have a person who weighs 100, 150, and 170 pounds. Now 100, a person who weighs 100 pounds can cross the river. Okay, and then they can, a person with 80 and 100 pounds, so weighs 80 and 100 pounds, crosses to the opposite side of the river. So now all of them is in the opposite side of the river. So if you count the number of crossings, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So therefore, you're going to have 9 crossings as the minimum number of crossings.